Welcome back to the Universe of TechHub. In this tutorial, we will learn about lifting state up in React. First, we need to learn what is lifting state up. The lifting state up is like a moving a shared toy to a common shelf so that all kids can play with it. Instead of each child having their own version of toy, which can get confusing, right? So you put it in one place where everyone can access it. In React, when multiple components need to share the same data or state, you lift this state up to their closest common parent component. This way, the parent manages the state and the child components can access and update it. In React, when multiple components need to share the same data or state, you lift that state up to their closest common parent component. This way, the parent manages the state and the child component can access and update it. Next, we move to the while lift state up. It is used for sharing a data. If two or more components need to use the same data or lifting the state up allows them to access it from a single source. So this is the reason lift state up. It is used in the sharing the data. Next one is simpler management. It keeps your components organized and makes it easier to manage state changes in one place. Here is the I'm taking one example, a shared name input. Let's create a simple example where users can enter their name in one component and that name will be displayed in another components. Next, we move to the how it works. Parent components as a name app holds the name state using a use state. It passes the name and set the name function to the name input component, passes the name to the name display components. Next one is child component. It takes the name input, receives the name and set name as props. When the user types in the input field, the handle changes function is called, which updates the name state in the parent components. Next one is child components. It displays the name display, receives the name as a props and display it. Like visualizing, imagine you have a box of crayons that the state that you want to share with your friends, the child components. Instead of each friends having their own box of crayons, you keep one box on the table. The parent components name app, the table where the crayons are kept, the state name input, one friend who uses the crayons to draw updates the state, name display, another friend who looks at the drawing displays the state. This is all about lifting state up. Move shared state a common parent component so that multiple child components can access and update it. Control the components. Use the controlled components to manage from inputs, ensuring that the input values are always in sync with the state. It is also real-time updates. As the user types their name, it updates in real time in the display components. Lifting state up is a powerful concept in React that helps you manage shared data between components effectively. By keeping the state in one place, you can ensure that all the components have access the same information, making our application more organized and easier maintained. This is all about lift state up. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment in this video. Thank you for watching.